Passing is easy, but getting paid? Now that's the hard part. I'm breaking down the exact TPT rules that you can't break so you can pass and actually get paid. Here's what you'll learn in the next few minutes. The real rules. How the end of the day trailing drawdown actually works, the 50% consistency cap, and how payouts really hit your accounts. TPT is a one-step futures evaluation. Hit the profit target, follow the rules, and request a payout. Simple, right? It's simple until you miss one rule in the rule book. Let's break it down, shall we? Profit target depends on account size. A 50K account, the profit target is $3,000. So these max contracts scale by account size. Don't go Leroy Jenkins, don't cowboy yen trying to get the maximum amount of return. Your minimum balance trails the highest end of day balance, not intraday, end of day. If price slaps back down and tags the minimum, automatic liquidation. TPT does not want one-hit wonders. Your biggest day must be under 50% of your biggest total evaluation profit. Your 50K account with a target of $3,000, your highest day cannot be more than $1,500. Plan your least amount of minimum trading days on day one. Do not cram it at the end. There's no fixed daily loss rule for the test account, the Pro account, or the Pro Plus account. But even still, give yourself a soft daily loss limit so you can live the trade another day. Your trading day runs from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day, EST. The trades that are approved are your CME trades, CBOT, NYMEX, COMEX products. On Pro Plus accounts, no positions on orders 1 minute before, during, or after listed high impact news. Stay active weekly to keep the account in good standing. Pro pays 80-20. You can request a payout above that buffer. Example, if you're starting with 50K, the daily drawdown is $2,000. You can withdraw as soon as you cross over $52,000. The Pro Plus account has a 90-10 split, which means you keep 90%, they keep 10%. And you can withdraw profits from day one.
Wow.
The Pro Plus accounts add rules like the news lockout, and they monitor your weekly activity. Use a soft daily stop. Trade one setup you can explain in a single sentence. Remember to verify your payouts early. Do a small withdrawal, then scale. If I started with a 50K account today, I pre-planned 5 trading days. The cap, $1,500 in one day. I keep the risk about 0.5 to 1% per trade, and I just aim for steady progress. And for the first payout, I test a small amount just to see how the pipeline is working. So if you want my pass to payout checklist, just drop me a comment below. And on the next video, I'll show you exactly how to keep up with your trading journal in order for you to maintain your new career as a professional trader. Remember, this is your one-stop shop for all things prop firm related that are worth our time. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Traders Ambitions. Let's get it. Thank you.